Switzerland. Grüezi. Welcome to Switzerland, a country known for its breathtaking beauty, rich history, and delicious chocolate. I'm your host, Naim, and I'm excited to take you on this journey to explore the beauty of Switzerland. One mountain. Switzerland is home to some of the most iconic mountains in the world, like the Matterhorn, Jungfrau, and Eiger. The Swiss Alps offer breathtaking scenery, world-class skiing, and picturesque villages. Two lakes. Switzerland has some of the most stunning lakes in the world, like Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Como. Enjoy boat rides, swimming, or simply take in the breathtaking views. 3 cities. Switzerland's cities are a mix of modern and traditional, with world-class museums, historic landmarks, and delicious food. Explore Zurich, Bern, Geneva, and Basel, and discover their unique charm. 4 culture. Switzerland has a rich cultural heritage, with a strong emphasis on tradition, folklore, and community. Experience the famous Swiss hospitality, and enjoy the country's festivals, markets, and events. That's it for our journey to beautiful Switzerland. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I have. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.